Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jules Emily here. Before we go any further in today's video, don't forget to join the Jules Emily family. In today's video, I'll be showing you a full face of my makeup haul products, and these are all brand new products that I have accumulated while I was missing in action on YouTube. I do hope you guys do enjoy this makeup haul that I've used in today's video. So please stay tuned and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, tell a friend to tell a family member to join the Jules Emily family. Hey guys, so for the first product that I'll be going in my makeup haul would definitely be my Made by Mitchell palette. This is the Do You Want Some Milk palette. You can see the color story is amazing. I did do a look using this palette in my previous video, so you can go and check that out right now or after this video. To prime my eyes, I'm going to take the p.louise base in Rumor 7, and this one does match my complexion a lot. And I'm just going to blend this out. Focusing mainly on the greens. And the first color I'm going to go in with is Oat Milk, and that's this color right here. And I'm just gonna pat this color on. I was hoping for this color to come off a bit darker, but it is what it is. So far it's blending out beautifully. The next shade I'm gonna take is Grass Feed. It's a little bit lighter than this green right here. I'm just going to put that on the outside, because we're going to gradually lighten up. The next shade I'm going to take is Soured. It has a lot of kickback. Right off the bat, the greens are not giving what it's supposed to give, in my opinion. They're good, they're pigmented, but comparing it to like the p.louise Worldy palette, those greens were giving me dimension. Like the dark green was giving me dark green. For the remaining portion of my eye look, I'll be going in with this shade, and this shade. With this color, I had to legit dig into the pan to get some pigment. And it's not shimmering like the other shimmer shades. So this color, I had to dig into it, and you can see right there just to get off that first layer. Ooh, and this one is very pigmented. And I'm just going for this color because it's like a green as well, but just to give my eye more dimension. I'm now going to take the liner, and this is the Brownie Points. Before I go into any face base, I did go and pick up a mystery box from Doll Beauty for £20. I've had this for a couple months that I've been away. So a couple months that I've been away, I've accumulated a bit of makeup. So I'm just gonna open this box, and this is what inside. So I just opened the box, and this is basically what's inside of the box. Let's see. I got a pair of lashes which I'll be using today. That's one item. I've got a doll lip gloss in Blogged, and this is what it looks like. I'm not sure if I have this color already, so I won't open it, but I'll double check at some point to see if I have it. If I do have it already, it will be placed in my giveaway once I reach 1K. Yeah, the next thing I got was an eye brush, and this one is the goat hair one, and this is in DD13 for those who are interested. So this is what it looks up close and personal. Feels very soft. Brush. The next item that I did get is another brush, and this is what it looks like. Let me open the box. And this is what it looks like. I think this can be used for highlighter or something, because this is too big for my eyes. So far that is 4 items for £20. The next thing I got was this highlighter duo, and let's open it because I don't think I have this one in particular. This is what it looks like, and this one is in the shade Champagne and Supernova. The last thing I got in the box is a pigment, and this is what the pigment looks like. For £20, not so bad. Okay, another product that I'll be using in today's video is my Clinique Even Better Clinical Serum Foundation SPF 20, and when I saw this I fell in love with the packaging. I will be using this foundation in today's video. The next thing that I did pick up is the Lancome concealer, and this is the Tint Idol Ultra Wear All Cover Concealer, and this is what it looks like. I've also got this Jordana Ticia duo. I think it's a bronzer duo. I picked this up when it just came out, so that's a couple months ago, and I did pick this up in the shade Holidazed. So it is a cream on the bottom and powder on the top. Just gonna swatch that quickly for you guys. So that is the color. It looks super beautiful. Yeah, so that's the powder on top. The next thing that I did get is a mystery box from Charlotte Tilbury, and this mystery box was £15. And while opening it, I did realize I got a lipstick, and this one is in the shade Walk of No Shame, and this is what it looks like. I do have another one untouched, and that one would be going in my giveaway for when I reach 1K. So I have been accumulating a few products for my giveaway once I've reached 1K. I have prepped my skin off camera, and I almost forgot this one last thing that I did get for my birthday, and this is the Tarte High Performing Nature's brushes. I have not used it yet, even though the box looks destroyed. These are what the brushes look like. Once again, these are the Tarte brushes, and I will be incorporating these brushes into these looks. So let's jump right into that. Once again, I have said previously that I've primed my skin and prepped it off camera, so I'm just gonna jump in with the Clinique foundation, and this foundation is in the shade WN118 Amber. And this is what the color looks like. Hopefully it's a good match. It does come off liquidy, and this is meant to be a serum foundation, and this is my first time trying it out, so hopefully all goes well. This foundation does have a scent to it, and I'll be taking my PC, I don't think there's a brush to use. Yeah, I'll be taking my Peaches and Cream brush to blend this out. And so far I feel like this foundation could be a little bit warmer, but hopefully it oxidizes just a little bit. But so far the coverage is superb. Look at that. Yeah, this color is not so bad, but I wish it was a little bit warmer. It was a little bit too yellow. And look how it covered everything. Oh my days. Okay, it looks like it's warming up a bit more. It is really beautiful. Look at that. That's really beautiful. And the color looks like it's adapting to my skin color. If you guys did pick up this foundation when it came out, please comment down below and let me know what you guys think about it. So far, I'm loving how it's feeling on my skin. I love how radiant my skin is looking. And it looks like it's oxidizing just a little bit, which is good because I felt like it was coming off a bit too yellow. The next thing I'll be taking is the concealer, and this is the Teint Idol Ultra Wear, and this is all over concealer, and this one is in 43507. I don't think it has a scent, anything too dramatic. Ooh, this is creamy. And the doe foot applicator is really big. So far, it's one dip. This is super creamy. And while that is drying down, I'm gonna take the Holidazed duo, and I'm gonna use the cream side and apply it onto my face. Cream side. Apply it on my face. Okay, the color is not too bad. I'm gonna take this brush from the Tarte, and hopefully it works. If not, I'm gonna have to shift to a different brush. I'm just gonna blend this out first. Ooh, and that cream bronzer blends out like a dream. The good thing about this brush is that it's narrow, so it won't mess up my hair too much. I just made a mess right there. I'm going in with the sponge, and I think this is a Juno & Co sponge, and I'm just gonna blend out the concealer. Now that it has sit for a bit. Oh, this concealer is super creamy. And I say it's easy to blend out as well. Look at that. No, look how smooth my skin is looking, like seriously. I'm gonna quickly set where I've highlighted, and I'm gonna use the Jordana Ticia Duo Powder. And when I tell you, baby, I've been loving this. I've been using it every time I apply my makeup. This one does remind me of the Huda Beauty powder in banana. And to bronze my face, I'm going to take the powder side, and I'm going to take this brush. Ooh, this powder has a lot of kickback. You guys can comment down below and let me know what you guys think about this powder. The powder part, I'm not 100% on. But you guys can definitely comment down below and let me know. I've been loving the McGrath blush. I'm taking that one, and this one is in the shade Lovestruck, and I feel like I'm gonna use this brush. The brushes are so cute, but I feel like they're a little bit too soft for my liking. I guess because they're new as well. Not picking up enough product. Ooh, and now there's too much product. Ooh, that's too much. From no product to too much product, imagine. Imagine. This is the Doll Beauty highlighter one that I have, and yeah, I do have the shades that are in this, so I'll definitely be putting this one in my kit, and this one is my personal, so I'll be using this today. For the Doll Beauty brush, I'm gonna take is the, I don't even know the number, but I'm gonna take the Doll Beauty brush. I'm gonna go in with Shine Bright. When I say these highlighters are blinding. These highlighters are blinding. And to spray my face, going in with my all-time favorite setting spray. And this spray is, I don't feel like any spray beats this spray for me. Yeah, this is my all-time favorite. And for lipstick, I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury one. And this one is Walk of No Shame. And then I'm going to finish off the rest of the bottom of my eye, put the lashes on, and be back. The color is not my go-to, but it's cute. Yeah, it's not my go-to color, but it's cute. And it's a nice addition to my collection. I feel like I'm gonna finish the rest of my eye, pop lashes on, and be back. So guys, the blush is blushing. I've put on way more blush than I usually do, but this is the end results of today's look using my makeup haul products. And yeah, I'm pretty pleased, pretty pleased with the products that I've used. If there's anything that I've used in today's video that intrigues you, comment down below and let me know what it is so we can build a conversation in the comment section. I pretty much do adore today's look. Once again, this is the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye until next time.